7 delicious facts about ice cream. 1. Ancient origins. Ice cream has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations. The Chinese are believed to have created an early form of ice cream around 200 BC, made by mixing milk with rice and freezing it in the snow. 2. Roman emperor's dessert. In the 4th century, Roman Emperor Nero is said to have enjoyed a primitive version of ice cream made with snow, honey, and fruit. 3. The First Ice Cream Parlor. The first public ice cream parlor in the United States, called the New York Gazette and the Weekly Mercury, was opened in New York City in 1776. 4. President's favorite. Ice cream is a beloved dessert among many U.S. presidents. For instance, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, and Abraham Lincoln were known to be big fans of ice cream. 5. Vanilla reigns supreme. Despite the plethora of creative flavors available today, vanilla remains the most popular ice cream flavor in the United States. 6. Brain freeze. The term brain freeze refers to the sensation of sudden coldness in the head when consuming something cold, like ice cream, too quickly. It occurs when cold substances touch the roof of the mouth, causing blood vessels to constrict and then rapidly dilate. 7. Most ice cream eaten in one sitting. The Guinness World Record for eating the most ice cream in one sitting is held by a Belgian man, who devoured 15.5 pints, 7.26 liters, of ice cream in just 8 minutes. Remember to enjoy ice cream in moderation and savor the delightful flavors and experiences it offers.